Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will going to learn that what are stored procedures and how and why do we need to use procedures in SQL Server. So first of all, we will discuss that what are stored procedures. A stored procedure is a set of structured query language statement with an assigned name which are stored in a relational database management system as a group, so it can be reused and shared by multiple programs. First, the major advantage of using procedure is that we can perform multiple operations at the same time. So first of all, we are going to start our lecture by inserting data into a specific table by using stored procedures. So let's start. First of all, we are going to create a new database. Uh, let's suppose hospital management. After that, we are going to create a new table. Let's suppose TBL admin and use hospital management. Copy and paste it here. Now we are going to write the syntax of creating table. AD, ID, integer, primary key. We are going to use constraints over here, and now identity, so that it will be auto incremented. Admin name n varchar 30 not null. Admin password, copy and paste it over here, and now execute this table. After that, we are going to create stored procedure and we will insert data through a stored procedure. We are not going to create any insert. We are not going to use any insert query right now. So we are going to insert the data by using stored procedure. So the syntax of procedure is that stored procedure, create procedure, and after that write the name. I insert into TBL admin. Then as admin ID we have used as an auto incremented, so there is no need to use in procedure because it will be inserted auto incrementedly. So just use admin name and admin password over here, just paste it here, and use @ before every field, admin name and admin password. And remember that stored procedure does not allow any kind of constraint, so we will going to remove not null. Okay, after that we are going to write as begin and end. This is the basic structure of a stored procedure. After that we are going to write insert query, insert into TBL admin, and will use both the field admin name and admin password. After that values, and copy both the fields, paste it here, and just use @ along with both the fields. After that just execute this procedure. Now we are going to check that whether the procedure is created or not. Just refresh your database. Where is our database? Hospital management. Here it is. Now look, here is an option of programmability. Just click over here and there is an option of stored procedure. Look, there is a database of insert into TBL admin. It is very easy to modify your stored procedure as compared to modifying your table. Now we are going to insert data, and for inserting data we are going to use the command of execute. After that, just place your procedure name, and that is insert into TBL admin. Copy it and paste it over here. After that, just we are going to write what kind of values we are going to insert it. Let's suppose I place it over here, my name. After that, I'm going to place the password ABC123, and it's just execute it. Look, the raw is affected, which means that the data is inserted. Now we are going to check that whether the data is inserted or not. Select all from TBL admin. Look, the data is inserted in my specific table. Now we are going to create a new procedure in which we are going to view all our records. So create procedure. We can also write proc only, and after that I name it as view all records. As I have to only display my record, so there is no need of using any kind of parameters. Just write as begin and end. Sorry, and end, and just write over here the query of viewing all records. So I place it here, select all from TBL admin, and just execute it. Look, the procedure is created, and just I am going to refresh my programmability option, store procedures, and here my view all record procedure is also being created. Now I am going to check whether my procedure is working properly or not. So I am going to write execute command, and after that I am going to write my procedure name. So here my procedure is also working properly. So this is the process, and this is the method through which we can use stored procedures, and this is a major advantage that we can use procedures for performing multiple kinds of operation at a single particular time. So if you like this, so if you think my channel is informative, and if you like my videos, so do subscribe my channel and keep watching and sharing. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.